Hi, my name's Corinne. Today we're going to do 3D snowflake made out of white lunch bags. The items that you're going to need to complete this project is, of course, the lunch bags, a scissors, a glue stick, a ruler for later on, and a pencil. You may want to use string to hang your snowflake. What I like to do is to put a paper clip in and insert my string there and then hang the snowflake. We will start by gluing the bags together. The folded side should be down on the bag. What we will do is make a T-shaped glue starting at the bottom and going down the center. Once again, the bottom fold is against the bag and should be down and pressed together, and make sure that they're aligned. And we'll just keep gluing till we get 7 bags glued together. And press down with each glue. And go down the center so it'll resemble a T. And with the last bag or the 7th bag, you do the T. And place on top of the other bags. I would allow this to dry at least 20 minutes. You could use like clothespins to keep the bottom glue together. I would set this aside and let dry for at least 20 minutes. I will use this tray as a weight to hold that bag down. I have completed other bags, and I will now show you how to draw the point of the snowflake. I measure down about a couple inches, and I will cut the point to the center of the bag. You'll need a strong, sturdy scissors, or you can draw the triangle too from those point of lines. But for today, we'll just cut the points. It is quite thick for cutting. So if someone is small, they might need help on the cutting of the point, and also how you're going to decorate. I'll show you that I had a misglue and the bags do not open correctly. It's not going to meet. However, this could still be saved, and you could cut decorations into it and put weights on the end, and it could be used for a table decoration. Now you can either draw what type of decoration you want and just follow the outline with a pencil. On one side I made a round circle. On the other side I did triangles. So I will try to follow my design the best I can. And now I'm gonna try cutting out my circles. You can always erase the bigger circle off your snowflake. Not cutting for me here. Okay, now I have cut two different designs. So what you will do is palm side down on either of the outer side of the bag and open it up, and you have a snowflake. The last step will be once again using the glue stick. You will glue at the bottom and go down to the middle of your point. Palm side down. and bring it together and press together, and you have a completed snowflake. You may have to hold for a while. I'll just borrow this paper clip to hold this one together. I have another set of bags that you can kind of cut a Christmas tree design into it, and that'll give you an interesting snowflake also. So you would draw with the ruler, or you can hand draw. And cut your point. It does get rather tough. Or just do diamonds. On either side, can kind of either match them up or make them closer together. Once again, it would be palm side out. You would open it and glue it together, but my one glue didn't stick on this one. It's been happening all morning on this set of bags. So just to review, you will have 7 bags. You will do a tea glue on your bag. You will take the next bag with the flap down and just keep going until you have the 7 bags. You can punch a hole into the bags to put a string, but I did find that using a paper clip doesn't tear the snowflakes. Now this one was made out of a smaller lunch bag and by my granddaughter. You can go in and bring the point up on it, but this is an example of one. And of course, the one that we completed. And here's another one completed by another granddaughter, Snowflake. And this one, I just cut the triangle at the top, and after that, I just went with the scissors and snipped. So the design is on both sides. And that is another completed snowflake. I do have some interesting facts about snow. Snow is just made of snowflakes. Snow is also made of sleet when snow passes through the atmosphere and melts a little by the time they hit the ground. There is no scientific proof that no two snowflakes are exactly alike. It's been reported that people have found identical snowflakes. Each snowflake has 6 sides because of the molecules that make them are hexagon shape. Snowflakes are not white at all, they're translucent. When light is reflected rather than passed through, and because of a snowflake's tiny surface, the light scatters in so many directions and the color comes back to us as white. It is reported that in the United States alone, 1 septillion snowflakes fall. Now that is a 1 with 24 zeros after that 1. 1 inch of snow makes 1/10 of an inch of water. To snow, the temperature must be below 32 degrees. I read that the world's largest snowflake was 38 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters thick. Now that would be almost 15 inches wide and almost 8 inches thick. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have fun making the snowflake. Thank you.